Hey everyone, so here will be the forecast for GBPUSD on the 31st of August. So right now we can see that price previously broke the 4-hour lows. We continue to break previous lows as well over at this area here. So what I'm expecting on the 15-minute, as we can see that price currently is trading within this 4-hour swing leg and it's very bearish. So if we go down to the 15-minute, and we draw up the new 15-minute swing leg, there are two areas that I will be looking at for continued shorts. So if we look at this first 15-minute sell zone over here, I'll be waiting to see if I can get lower time frame confirmations to short from here, heading towards these week lows potentially over probably during the London session or New York today. But also bear in mind that we do have the non-farm news today, so New York could be a bit choppy. London could have some moves, but yeah, we should see some chop during the New York session. And if let's say price decides not to respect this sell zone over here, I'll be looking for this 15-minute sell zone, which is at the equilibrium of the 4-hour swing leg previously, to look for continued shorts again. Same thing down towards this 15-minute potential weak lows.